Sunil Khemka, new technique of managing compound comminuted fracture shaft tibia.
Dear friends, I am talking of this type of fracture which occurs usually due to the high velocity road traffic accident, and it requires multiple surgery, multiple debridement, rotational flap, bone grafting. And we see in our practice that it ends up with the deformity, limb length discrepancy, joint stiffness and disuse atrophy. To avoid all this complication, we have innovated a new technique of fixation with Anders nail and long rail system. Aim of management is to achieve anatomical reduction, provide good stability, avoid infection, allow subsequent plastic surgery procedure and permit early mobilization and achieve good bone union. The options for such fractures we have: external fixator, where anatomical reductions are not possible, always not able to bear weight many times, and it is not a definitive mode of fixation many times. Interlocking nail, we require adequate length proximally and distally for fixation, locking screws, and in the plate fixation, infection is very common in such compound fracture, and Elisaro is a very cumbersome, and rotation of lateral plastic surgery is also very difficult. Now I will show you some cases. This was our first case when we have innovated this method. This was a fracture where the upper proximal 1/3 of tibia was split in many fragments. We were in the dilemma what to do. We should fix it with external fixator, we should remove the fragments, or we should keep it in place, and later we have to do the flap. What about the shortening? What about the bone transfer? So many things in our mind. Then we thought of doing retrograde Anders nail, putting all the split fragment around the nail with the cerclage wire and further stabilized with LRS system. Wound healed very well. After 3 months, we found that fracture is uniting at the proximal side, but there is no progress in the union was seen in the distal end. So we did the bone grafting and added one LRS system in other plane also, and started full weight bearing. This is the result after 1.5 years. Patient is driving motorcycle, doing duty in his police station. He is a constable. And this is after 3 years. The fracture shows absolute consolidation, full range of movement. Patient has fractured femur also, which has united very well. These are few more cases which we did. Similarly treated. After 1 month, there was a gap of skin and bone at the fracture site. We did the rotational flap with the bone grafting. 1 year follow-up, solid bone union occurred. Few more cases. Patient denied for skin grafting. It healed up with scar. 7 months follow-up, 10 months follow-up, fracture uniting very well. And after 1.5 years, we have removed the LRS system and patient is walking with Anders nail in situ. This is another case with patellar tendon rupture and proximal tibia fracture. A small piece of tibial condyle has been fixed with a screw and retrograde nail has been passed and LR system applied to stabilize further. Fracture united very well, full range of movement. This is a recent case which we did, very bad fracture. He had segmental fracture in femur also, fracture at the lower end of tibia. Just to show, distal femoral nail has been done and Anders nail, LRS, medial malleus fixed with tension band wiring, and lateral split skin graft has been done. These are the few more cases which we had done. So far in our study between 2014 to 2018, we have done 40 cases. The technique is, after debridement, we aligned we fixed reduced the fracture fragment and passed the Anders nail 2 or 4 may be passed if the canal is very wide, usually proximally. If required, we can pass it from retrograde method, and for later on LRS fixation is done. Few complications, secondary procedures were required. Some cases skin grafting, flap, in few cases bone grafting, and there was vascular injury also in 2 cases, and revision surgery done because of non-union in 1 case. In 75% cases we got good result. Why we choose Endus nail and LRS over the external fixator? It provides good anatomical reduction, it provides very good stability, we can permit weight bearing within a week and early return to work. And dear friends, I will like to say you, please do not afraid of infection. We have done now in 8 years more than 100 cases, and we hardly seen 1 or 2 cases deep infection where non-union occurred and we have to replace it with Elizaro later on. But we get the alignment, good skin coverage later on if required, and patient remains happy with almost full mobility of the nearby joint. Thank you.